If you've been trying to switch back to your old Yahoo Mail account, this video will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you recently added a new account or Yahoo switched profiles on you, you can get back to the old mailbox in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This is the small avatar or account picture that shows which Yahoo account is currently active. After you click it, a menu should appear with your account options. From that menu, choose Add or Manage Accounts. This is the section Yahoo uses for switching between saved accounts, adding new ones, and managing the accounts connected to your browser or session. Now you should see a list of the accounts that are available. Look carefully and select your old account from the list. If you have more than one Yahoo login saved, make sure you choose the one tied to the older mailbox you want to return to. Once you click it, Yahoo should switch you back into that account and load the correct inbox, contacts, and settings. If the old account does not appear right away, give it a moment to load or refresh the page and check the profile menu again. In some cases, you may need to sign in again with the old email address and password before it shows up fully in the account list. If that happens, just follow the login prompts and then repeat the same steps. Open Yahoo Mail, click the profile icon in the top right, choose Add or Manage Accounts, and then select your old account. That is the main process for switching back. If you're using a shared computer or a browser with multiple Yahoo accounts, it can help to double-check the email address before you switch, so you know you're opening the right mailbox. And if you want to make the old account easier to find next time, keep it signed in on the device you use most often. That way, switching accounts becomes much quicker in the future. So just to recap, open Yahoo Mail, click the profile icon, go to Add or Manage Accounts, and select your old account to switch back instantly. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide made the process simple and stress-free. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial.